what else? Also, so what I plan to do is that I plan to use the slides to cycle back from us talking to us referring to the slides, and so it gives the viewers like something to look at and something to have as a resource. So I'm going to try to share my screen, and then like as you're talking, hopefully it'll like a switch back and forth between you talking and the slides. And so like I'm gonna practice that right now.
Yep.
So like I would bring it up here. So
So
I
will
would I
you?
would bring it up like this. No, go ahead, Andy.
I was just going to say. So will you sort of direct the questioning and the conversation, or how will we sort of work with that? Because we don't want to sort of talk over the top of each other.
Yeah, I plan on directing the the conversation. So like I'll start off with introduction, like hi, my name is blah blah blah. This is Business Summit, and then I'll start off with the introductions, and so I'll share the first slide, and so Andy, you'll be first. You'll just introduce yourself, and then I'll go to each slide. And so after you're done, then I'll go to Patty, and then keep going as all of us introduce ourselves, and then when question one comes, I'll say, okay, where do you begin with creating your assessments? And the first person will be you, Andy. And so like you'll talk on that, and it'll go back and forth, and then we'll go on to the next person.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah. And so
Yeah.
like I'll go in and out of the actual slides, and then I'll come back to your face.
Yep.
And so I plan on doing that.
Yep. Sweet. All right. No, that makes sense. That's good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
And how long's the duration of the session? Is it an hour?
well, we have an hour, but usually how it breaks down is that usually the roundtable will last for like 40 to 45 minutes, and then we'll have 15 minutes for questions, because while we're doing our session, the viewers are able to go on a today's meet, and we have an actual like message board that's dedicated to our session. And so like while we're talking, people will be writing comments and writing questions, and and I'll encourage them to write questions on today's meet, so that after the 45-minute mark, I'll open it up for questions, or if anyone wants to add anything that they didn't speak about. So like that's usually how it works out.
Yep. Yep. Awesome.
Yeah.
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 That's
So
cool. It sounds exciting. Yeah, it's great.
yeah, yeah, it is great. Um, Daniel, do you have any questions about it?
No, I'm good right now. So
Okay, cool,
I think I understand everything.
nice, nice. A couple other things is that when we do the summit, we've had issues in the past where like one person will be talking and there's like a dog barking in the background, and so like it's kind of distracting. So make sure you're in like a room that doesn't have any background noise.
Yep. That's
Also, we're actually having Osama. He's one of our participants on our roundtable, and he is in the United Arab Emirates. And so him and I met today, earlier today, and like the way that his internet and I think it's because of where he is, there was a big sound delay. And so like when I ask a question, it'll be like I guess like a 3-second pause, and then he'll answer. And so like I'll repeat this again on Saturday, but we have to make sure that we give Osama a chance to talk, because like we'll hear the question before he does. So just to be cognizant of that.
Yeah.
So also make sure you have headphones, because that also eliminates some background noise. Do either of you plan to use any type of like resources, like show any resources on your screen?
On my slides, I just hyperlinked, I think on styles of assessment, there's just a hyperlink to just some rubric, but I mean, I'm probably more going to talk about it rather than show those documents, but they're there, I guess, to give you an indication of whether you want that to come up or not. I'm easy either way.
And I'm the same way. I kind of copied you, Andy.
Yeah, that's all right.
I mean, I definitely encourage us to show our resources, because it enhances our roundtable. I know I met with Justin, who's also a part of our roundtable, yesterday, and he's doing the same thing. He's going to share his screen, and he's going to show us some of his resources that he uses for assessment. And so like I could control that, or if you want to have the slides up on your screen, and you can just do like a quick screen share. We can also do that. Also, we can also do that.
Okay. What I might do is I might just put up I'll just take a screenshot of a couple of things, and then I'll just hyperlink it back to, because it'll just be in my Google Drive folder.
Okay.
So that way I'll set it up so you can view it, and then when I'm talking, you can just click through those things 1, 2, 3.
Sounds good.
Yeah, and then that way you're able to then control that whole screen, rather than if I come into it, I might bring up something that I don't want to bring up, and stuff like that as well. So yeah, cool.
Okay, so do you see it? Do you see it on your on the screen right now? Okay, so if I were just to like, let's see. So if I was just to like click on it, and your link comes up like this, and then you would just like talk on it.
Yeah, and then I'll just elaborate on that.
Okay.
So yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, I could definitely do that, and I can actually already have this up, so there's no like delay.
Yep. And then the other thing would be then that the resources that I show, you can then make available for people to grab and download, so that they can just grab the link, because I'll save them as a PDF, so they can't actually go in and change the format of them or anything like that. Or no, I'll just have them so they shared as a view, so they can just be able to have a look at it then. Yeah, I'll think about that, but I'll certainly put those links on the next couple of days, so then you've got time to open them up.
Yeah, sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah. I mean, I definitely think that us showing some of the examples of our our assessments would definitely enhance our roundtable.
Yep, cool.
So that's a great idea. And so Daniel, I'll also do the same thing with you. Do you want me to just to go ahead and, like, as you're talking about your assessments, I can just click on your links?
Yeah, that's fine. They're just Google Forms for the most part on mine.
Okay, just Google Forms.
So should open. I hope they open. Always interesting to see if I linked it right.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I
So,
Yeah, so I'll have yours open also, so that I can just click to it and then they can see it.
right, that works for me. Both of those are similar, so.
Yeah.
All right, sounds good. Patty just joined us. Hey, Patty, how you doing?
Hey, Patty.
Sorry, I got my day mixed up. I'm
It's-
still at school.
no, we're all really busy, so I definitely understand that. No worries.
All right,
So,
but I'm like on my phone. I got my computer set, so
I see.
I slides ready. So hopefully that's all good to go.
Yeah, your slides look good. So do you want me? Do you have anything to share, or when? Yeah, you have something to share. Do you want me to share your basketball shooting video
Yeah,
analysis project?
it's traditional assessment, so I don't know if I should add another one, but I wanted to show something different that could be done that I do with the classroom. And, I don't always do it. Like this year, I don't have enough time to do it, but it's kind of a cool thing that if a school has more of a one-to-one situation or whatever, it's kind of cool to be able to have them do kind of a before and after video.
Yeah.
With technology, so I wanted to include that as something different.
Yeah.
So if
Yeah,
you're
man.
able to click on that, that would be great.
Yeah. I actually have it up right now. Do you see that?
Yep.
Yeah. So I'll just click on it and then I'll bring this up, and then you can speak on it.
And the thing is, I just did a screenshot, so you can't actually see the video.
Uh-huh.
It's like just photos, but I just took it from where it was, and it won't play. It won't actually do the video. It just was my students what the format should look like.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, it sounds good. Okay, so I'll make sure I'll look over everyone's resources, and then I'll already have it up so that I could just click and go back in between the assessments and the slides, and then also make sure everyone sees your faces.
okay.
Sound good?
Do you want me to add another resource?
Not necessarily. I mean, you don't really have to. I think
Okay.
what you have is sufficient enough.
Okay.
So yeah, that'll work. But
Right.
just real quick, Patty, I'll catch you up on a couple of things that I talked about.
Christine was trying to join and couldn't.
Oh, Christine is trying to
Yeah,
join.
she sent a message and said she couldn't join via Twitter.
Yeah, she sent me a message too. Oh, she probably clicked on the wrong link. So I just sent her the link again.
Cool. Didn't mean to interrupt.
No worries. All right, so Patty, so
Yeah.
we're going to be starting the roundtable on Saturday at 11:30 Eastern time.
So
Not
10:30.
11:30. I'm sorry.
11:15, right?
11:15. 11:15 Eastern time. Sorry.
Okay, so 15 Central Time.
Yeah, Central Time. So 10:15 Central Time, and we would like everyone to be in the Google Hangout about 20 minutes early.
Okay.
I'll send you the link just like I sent you the link today.
Okay.
Through DM. What'd you say?
I promise I will be prompt.
No. I totally understand. Don't worry.
It was actually in the Spark PE webinar, so I really just got gooped up. I'm sorry.
Yeah, me and Daniel were actually watching that also.
Okay.
It was a good webinar.
Hi,
Yeah,
Daniel.
definitely.
Hey, Patty.
Hey, Patty.
Yep. Oh, about 5 minutes to 10 my time I should be on.
Okay, cool. Patty, we also have Andy. Andy's coming to us from Australia.
Hey, Patty, how are you? I think we've spoken a couple of times via Twitter.
Yeah, definitely. I'm so excited. What time is it your time right now?
We're 11:25 in the morning, so we're all right for the moment.
So you'll be doing this in the evening on your time on
No,
Saturday,
I'll be at
Sunday?
3 a.m. in the morning on Saturday, so I'll have my best jammies on. I'll be okay.
You might really want to present.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I should also mention this. If there's ever any like problem with our video, or if you get signed out somehow, all you have to do
Okay.
is click back on the link, and then it'll let you back into the room.
Okay.
So make sure I tell you that. Make sure you have headphones, and make sure you're in a room with no background noise. And
Okay.
do you know how to set up your lower third? Do you see how?
Yeah, I do. I'm on my
Okay.
phone right now. Yes, I do. I'll make sure I'm on my laptop.
Okay. And are there any questions about the questions that I'm going to ask you? All the questions are on the slides. Like I was saying earlier, I plan to use it as a guide to our roundtable. And if you need to like talk to anyone off record, we use the chat that's that's on our Google Hangout, like the
Okay.
chat that's on the side.
Okay.
So like if anyone needs to like exit out or whatever, we just send a message right here on the side. So like
Okay.
if I need to stop talking, just say stop talking, and I'll stop talking. Okay. So that's how we'll communicate through it.
So from the last time you did the roundtable, timing-wise, will we get through all the questions, do you think?
I think that, well, last time I did the roundtable, we didn't have the slides as a guide, and so
Okay.
um, I'd say that the conversations went kind of short, and so we were done within like 40 minutes, and
Okay.
then we used the rest of the time to answer questions because the the viewers are going to be answering or asking questions via of a today's meet, which is a message board, and so I'll be looking at them
Okay.
doing that. Okay.
Sounds good.
So I mean we should use up like the 40 like 40 45 minutes and then have questions afterwards. Okay.
Cool. I gotta go, guys. So I'll see you on the weekend.
Okay. Cool, Andy. And if you have any questions, just let me know. You know, just to shoot me a message.
All right. Look forward to it. See ya.
All right. See you, Andy.
Bye.
Bye.
I wonder what Christine's having a lot of trouble trying to get in. I'll send her an invite instead and see if that works. But
Is Justin going to be a part of it?
yeah, yeah. Christine is going to be in it. Also, Justin Schletter is going to be a part of it, and Osama Abujafor is going to be a part of it. So we have 6 people in our roundtable. Yeah. So.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah, it should be a good time. So yeah, other than making sure you have your slides done and being in 20 minutes early, that's about it. Make sure you communicate with the chat function on the side. Questions, they're on the slides, and I'll ask you questions from today's meet. And so, it's all about that's about all I had.
Sounds good to me.
Sounds good.
Yep.
All right. I'm gonna try to get in contact with Christine to see if I can meet with her separately. But I'm not gonna keep you guys any longer. So.
All right, sounds good.
All right. And if you have any questions, just send me a message
Hey.
on Twitter.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thanks,
Jen.
Jonathan.
All right. See you guys.
Thanks.
All right, again.
See ya.
See you, Patty.